And usually fine hair, do you know, it's always like, don't take it personal, but it's always like a classic bob, what is very nice. After many years, do you know, you want to have a change. Maybe a fringe, maybe some layers. Open your eyes.
No, you know, this is party and this is mom.
And welcome to Ride or Die. I'm Salome and this is our beautiful host Dimitri.
Oh, beautiful, thank you.
Dimitri is joining us today because we are talking all things fine hair.
Yes.
You are an expert in fine hair.
We will see, I don't know, I hope so.
And I'm so excited to learn from you as well.
I hope so. There's the styling, very important. The products, what you use at home, the styling products, the shampoo, the treatments. Also color is very important with fine hair.
Yeah. Or people with fine hair are maybe scared of lightening their hair because everyone thinks like bleaching your hair breaks your hair.
You think it's the client who's afraid or the hairdresser?
I mean both. So luckily, we are two hairdressers that really love working with fine hair, and we have a beautiful fine hair model today.
Yes.
So let's get her in.
So this is our guest Manu, our model, and I know Manu since she's very young. I met her at the Fashion Week, and we are working, both of us, since more than 20 years, I think. Huh?
Yes.
Backstage at the Fashion Week.
As far as I understand, this was like a little home bleach job. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Which actually you've done pretty well, to be honest. It's not the worst I've seen. We have a few color bands going on, so it's a natural root area that's about like a level 6-ish. And then we have a color band that's gold level 8, I would say, and then quite light level 10 ends.
What I don't like if you see the hair through. And, usually the girls with fine hair, that's why they put back the ears, so it should be more compact. So I suggested just the inside to make it a little bit darker.
Yeah, like get that depth all around the hairline.
Around the hairline. So here we are bright, golden, shiny, but we have also this darker inner piece. Also, and I like also when she pull up the hair, then I have a contrast.
Yes.
And if the regrowth comes out, you don't see it like this.
Exactly.
It looks much softer.
But instead of going to like level 6, that's like super dark and dense, I would rather go level 7, but then maybe use an ashier tone.
Yes.
Because blue, like if you use a blue tone, it appears darker.
Always.
Exactly.
A lot of times people or the hairdressers make the mistake.
Exactly.
They want like a 7 and they use a 6. But the ash tones and the cool tones always looks like a tone darker. Manu, do you have any thoughts of your haircut or any wish particularly, or something that I really have to be careful?
Yeah, I don't like it when it's too clean. I like it like more rock and roll and messy. And then, you know, you just have to look fine, but still messy, you know? It's
I know,
like something,
sure.
I didn't put too much effort, but I look fantastic. This
is very difficult.
Yeah. So what are you thinking?
I'm thinking a lot, I'm so excited.
For most people, we always go to one length. But like we've said, it's not the only way. So we want to play rather with keeping a little bit of her length.
Yes.
And I love that she has bangs. Like she's like a little bit more grungy and unique and fashion stylist. So I think we want to play with that. We don't want to just give her like a blunt haircut.
But this is the thing, you know, she have to feel well because it's her hair.
Exactly.
But I have to feel happy because I'm the hairdresser.
Okay.
Yes.
We'll use SilkLift and 10 vol. And then we're going to, after we've applied all the roots, we're going to work with SilkLift and 20 vol on this area away from the scalp.
Area where it's the yellow-orange. Huh?
It's just a very small little perimeter. When we go in and cross-check, we're going to lighten this piece. But because the hair is so fine, it lightens really fast and it breaks really easily. So I always leave that out.
So I finished before 20 minutes. What are you doing, Salome?
I mean, the perfectionist in me is unfortunately not someone that can just wing it. I like clean lines.
Yes.
But
what do you want to say with this?
I mean, there is no right and wrong. Let's be honest. There is no right and wrong.
But to mention clean
we all
lines.
get there. We all get there eventually.
Thank you for the clean lines.
So we finished with all the 10 vol on our first color band, and now we're going to use a 20 vol into our second color band.
Like, it's not burning so much as I'm used to it.
So this is a fun fact. The lightener that we used on your scalp is a very, very low, gentle lightener. We don't need that much lift because your hair is fine, firstly. Your scalp's producing heat. We just need a little gentle lift on the roots, and we're using a slightly higher volume of lightener on your middlings to end, so away from your scalp. Alrighty, perfecto. So we'll give this some time.
Yes.
And then we'll be back for the toner.
Yes.
So we had a look now, and we're happy with the processing so far. We're getting a nice even lift throughout.
And this is just in 20 minutes, huh?
20 minutes.
Yes.
That's the nice positive thing about having fine hair. The roots were on for a lot longer. So I must say, I think we got a really clean lift.
Yes. What we talked before, we will make the framing darker. So there we will use
8SB.
Yes.
And 7G, so it will be sitting in between an 8 and a 7 level.
Exactly.
And then I put a little dash of 8SB at PK, so that really violet-y dustiness.
Exactly, without to be too cold, too ashy,
Exactly.
too gray. If you try to make it like perfectly symmetric, it always looks like very boring. And that's why when I make the parting, if you see it, you know, I put the left side a little bit more hair than the right side. You see here,
Yeah,
here
so
and
a little
there.
bit more.
It just, do you know, it's not like it should be very asymmetric, just a little bit, a tinge. It brings always a very nice tension. This is like champagne, eh?
Exactly like champagne.
Jesus.
We love champagne.
Of course.
The integrity of the hair is actually really beautiful.
Exactly.
We also use the SilkLift drops inside of the SilkLift product, how it's designed to work together. But it really leaves the hair feeling a lot softer
And
after
one
a
of my
lightening.
favorite products, do you know, it's the
Structure
this
equalizer. We
I
always
love
praise it.
Always, I spray like crazy one. It's really a huge difference, the texture of the hair using it. So it strengthens so much the hair. I use this always after bleaching,
Yes.
always.
Me and Jules also, we rave about this product always, so it's not new to the Ride or Die show. I must say, this color is looking so beautiful, but when it starts developing, it's getting that really dusty mauviness.
The other thing is, we also, I don't know about...
So we're going to leave this for 10 minutes, and then we'll rinse, and then we are ready for styling and blow dry. Cut, style, and blow.
Cut.
First. I'm so excited to learn from you.
I love the color.
I think it looks so amazing. Honestly, I love the cool and warm together.
I think this was very important, and now you will see also after the cut how important. It's not just fine hair, but especially fine hair. On wet hair, the hair is very sensitive. So if you comb it like immediately through, it's like a gum, you break.
Yes.
So you dry it a little bit with air,
Strengthen it.
and then you open with the hand before you comb.
Yes.
This is a very great trick also for very frizzy or curly hair. Don't use immediately the brush.
It doesn't work.
What I'm doing. This is,
You know, you're layering it in a very interesting way for me. You're layering it from the underneath and keeping more length on top.
if I would cut a classic layer like this, I would cut this off.
Exactly.
What happened? Hair is missing here. Fine hair, I want this here part still heavy. I want hair. I want them moving, and I put the moving here in the between.
Exactly, in the interim. And
Exactly.
You can hand me that. Let's. We shall. Ta-da! What is really, really important is the styling of fine hair and the right products to choose when styling.
Exactly. I will use from Style Sign the Define Cream. I make the product warm in the hand. We put on the back where we have much more hair, and then I go in front. Huh?
This is so interesting for me that you're using this, because this is from the Curl range specific, and we're using it on fine, like, you know, straight-ish hair.
Yes.
So I love that you're using something, because I would have never tried this actually. You've worked with the defining cream
Yes.
on the exterior and the mid-lengths to ends, and now you're really working on the root area
Exactly,
on top.
and also here on the root, I use my fingers and
Really
apply
get
like
into it.
everywhere into the root. Huh? If we have a fringe that it's opening, we just put the mousse. I come and
You have a little
can
hair
you
net.
hold a little bit here? You?
Yeah.
Yes.
Here.
I put a hairnet. So now we use the dry texturizer. This you will use definitely when the hair is dry.
Okay.
Never when it's wet.
Yeah.
Huh? I lay the hair, so the product, so I don't put like this crazy much. So exactly where I want. I want here more texture and on this side. Huh? So I just put there the
I
product.
will literally die if there was so much product in my hair. Slow death.
Lucky you have me.
Yeah, I would go home and wash my hair immediately when I get home.
No, I think I would stay like this for 3 days.
I love the smell.
It's the hold, I think, that
Of course, by the smell.
the smell is
Smell.
amazing.
Smell.
It is amazing.
Open
Good.
your eyes.
No way. Oh my God. Now they will think I'm 18. I really love
cute,
it.
hey?
It's so good. You know, this is party and this is mom.
Oh, thank you so much. Hello there.
Sorry,
Thank you so much, Dimitri, for sharing all your wisdom with us today.
Pleasure working with you and all this great team. So for any question about fine hair, please write us. I really love to be connected with you.
For more videos like these, please comment, like, and subscribe.
This was like a huge mess, a huge mess.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye. That one was good.
It was good, eh? Bye.
Should we do one more?
Yes.